Welcome to our channel, where you'll learn exactly how to start dropshipping with AliExpress and Shopify step by step. Welcome to our channel, where you'll learn exactly how to start dropshipping with AliExpress and Shopify step by step. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without holding any inventory, and combining Shopify with AliExpress is one of the most popular and accessible ways to do this. First, start by signing up for a Shopify account and selecting a store name that reflects your brand or niche. After setting up your store, choose a professional theme that suits your product category and customize it to make your store visually appealing and trustworthy. Next, research products on AliExpress by looking for items with high order volumes and positive ratings. These products tend to perform well for dropshippers. Use tools or apps like Oberlo or Dsers to connect your Shopify store with AliExpress easily. These tools help import products, automate order fulfillment, and sync inventory levels. When adding products, write unique product descriptions that highlight benefits and speak directly to your target customer, ensuring they stand out from others. Set competitive pricing that covers your costs and provides you with profit while remaining attractive to buyers. Configure payment gateways on Shopify so customers can pay securely using popular methods like credit cards or PayPal. Don't forget to establish shipping settings that offer fast and reliable options, including tracking whenever possible, which can improve customer trust and satisfaction. Once your store is live, create marketing campaigns through social media platforms or search engine ads to drive traffic. Focus on building a brand by engaging with your audience regularly and providing excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Monitor your store analytics closely to understand what products are selling best and where improvements can be made. Continuously test different products, marketing strategies, and optimize your processes to grow your online business successfully. Remember, patience and persistence are key to mastering dropshipping. If you want to turn your Shopify and AliExpress store into a profitable venture, follow these steps carefully and consistently. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more valuable content on how to build your dream e-commerce business.